in order to solve this problem, we're trying to figure out if this expression here is equivalent to this. So in order to figure that out, we're going to convert all of these radicals into powers with fraction exponents. So let me show you how. This first radical here, the 7th root of x squared, is the same thing as x to the power of 2 over 7. So remember, the index, the 7 there, becomes the denominator in our exponent. So we've got x to the power of 2/7, and then this next radical converted to a power would become x to the power of 3/5. Okay, now we're trying to see if that's equal to the 35th root of x to the power of 6. So that written as a power would be x to the power of 6 over 35. So to see if these are the same, we need to remember our exponent laws. Because we're multiplying two powers here with the same base, we can add their exponents together. So just off to the side here, we need to figure out what is 2/7 plus 3/5. That's the same thing as 10 over 35 plus 21 over 35, which becomes 31 over 35. Okay, so this is going to simplify to x to the power of 31 over 35, and we can see that that is not equal to x to the power of 6 over 35. They're actually trying to kind of trick some students here by making them think what you're supposed to do is multiply these exponents, because if you do, you would get 6 over 35. So they're kind of trying to trick you there. But if you remember the proper exponent law here, you are actually supposed to add those exponents together, and then that proves that these are not the same. So I can just finish up by stating, is she correct? No. And we've definitely justified that response algebraically. So that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.